remember back in 2017, 2018, talking about cleaning drones, everyone thought I was crazy. And now it's like this year, people are starting to go, wait, that's not crazy, that's cutting edge. My name's Andrew Asher. I'm the founder of Lucid Bots, and we're sitting in our new headquarters here in Charlotte, North Carolina. What we focus on is building robots that do jobs that are traditionally considered dull, dirty, dangerous, and or demeaning. And our primary focus to date has been building a drone that can clean buildings. What the cleaning drone does is it takes away the least enjoyable parts of the job. And if I'm in a cleaning application where I've got to spray chemical, it makes the job more humane, safe, and efficient by introducing this type of technology. Prior to Skynode, I think about all the different modules we're trying to connect, wire together, just to try to get connectivity on our drones. But now our team can just plug in one simple component and have a lot of different features. I can have my main flight controller, I can have my LTE module, I can have some onboard computing, all in one central Skynode. It reduces the overall headache of building a drone. So we were going from Arducopter firmware to PX4, which is a direction we'd always wanted to move, and we're trying to figure out when is the timing right, because PX4 is a really good long-run platform to build on top of with a lot of intellectual property benefits. So our relationship with Auterion and the Skynode, I think, forced us to really dive into what we knew we needed to do in the long run. Before, when we're working with a Pixhawk Cube, there's nobody we could call for integration, support, or help. And now we've got really good relationships with a number of people at Auterion where we can say, hey, we're having this specific problem. Have you seen it before? Could you help us work through it? Before we had Skynode, we didn't have data visibility unless somebody sent the drone back to us and we manually started to pull flight logs. Now with Auterion and T-Mobile, we've got that data visibility where our customers could be out on a job and we could see the exact errors they're seeing, and we have a much straighter line of sight to giving them the highest level of support possible. The truth is, as technology advances, humans have continued to evolve to fill more creative roles that are also more human. So what I see robots doing is allowing us to extend human reach. And that's what excites me as we look at the future of robots, and I hope other people can understand and appreciate that as well.